Are you tired of wasting money and time cleaning your own truck wash fleet? You can continue paying higher insurance costs and compliance fees, or you can let the mobile truck wash experts come to you. Make no more excuses for not giving your semi-trucks the care and attention they need. You don't have to wait in line anymore. Let us help you protect your investment while preserving the environment. We guarantee you, at the end, you will like what you see. Start saving money and time. DetailXPerts is leading the way with a revolutionary patent-pending method of cleaning semi-trucks, 53-foot trailers, box trucks, moving trucks, rental car fleets, and other huge vehicles. At DetailXPerts, we bring the Eco Truck Wash Spa to you. The leader in the mobile vehicle steam cleaning industry, DetailXPerts combines state-of-the-art technology with water-saving expertise. Our effective and innovative method of cleaning all types and sizes of vehicles with just a little water is what sets us apart from the rest. DetailXPerts offers nothing but high-quality, fully insured, patent-pending mobile automobile steam cleaning services. We do not use detergents or harsh chemicals that can damage your vehicle or the environment. We are mobile, so we come to you. We treat every vehicle we service with special care. Our truck wash and detailing services are done right the first time, every time, guaranteed. We provide quality truck cleaning and detailing services at your convenience. In this demonstration video, you will see our unique and green process of detailing the interior and exterior of a tractor. You will witness how our method can transform a huge, dirty tractor to a sparkling, almost new appearance inside and out. Let's start with the interior. We deliver a more effective clean. Our unique technology makes cleaning vehicles kinder to the environment, as well as safer for your clients and employees. If that's not enough, what truly sets us apart is our commitment to quality service and client satisfaction. Nothing is more important to us than a job well done. Our reputation among business clients and consumers proves just that. Sparkling clean with less mess. A quicker, more effective clean. Light equipment cleans all nooks and crannies. Steps, rails, between seats, and even driver's area are cleaned quickly and thoroughly. Eliminate health hazards. This antibacterial, toxin-free method results in a safer environment for employees and a cleaner space for clients. Cleaning floors without water damage. No waterlogging, mopping, and tricky tactics to get excess water out. Eliminate damage done by water left on board, which can soak through and cause corrosion. This ultimate clean and shine only takes 3 steps. 1. Cleansing. 2. Rinsing. 3. Finalizing. Step 1. The first detail technicians will spray the biodegradable cleanser from bottom to top of semi-truck. Then the second detailer will brush the sprayed area with a long-handled microfiber brush. Step 2. The first detail technicians will come back and rinse the degreaser off from top to bottom. Step 3. Then they finalize by drying surface, steaming it, and wiping with microfiber cloth. The entire process is repeated until the detail technicians are finished with the tractor exterior, tractor driver's side, frame and tires, back side, passenger side and front. No need for harsh soaps or toxic chemicals. This method is environmentally friendly. Uses just 30% of the water normally used by our competitors. Our process couples the power of steam with a patent-pending continuous flow tank to monitor the amount of water used. In addition, finalizing with steam avoids extra water during the rinsing step. Just imagine never having to wait in the truck wash line and driving a thoroughly clean semi-truck every day.